Hello, welcome to Psychological. Today we're delving into the fascinating world of human psychology to help you connect with people on a deeper level, build lasting relationships, and leave a positive impact. Ever noticed how some people seem to instantly draw others towards them, almost like a magnet? It's no sorcery but a play of first impressions. Just like in a movie, the opening scene often determines whether we'll stick around for the rest. First impressions are formed in mere seconds. A quick snapshot of a person that our brain processes and categorizes. Whether it's a casual meeting, a job interview, or a first date, these initial moments can set the tone for your entire relationship. It's like setting the stage before the play unfolds. So how do we create a positive first impression? It's all about being genuine, approachable, and showing interest in the other person. A warm smile, a firm handshake, or a thoughtful question can make all the difference. The power of first impressions lies in their ability to influence our perceptions, our interactions, and ultimately, our relationships. Remember, you never get a second chance to make a first impression. What if I told you that one of the most powerful tools in your arsenal is your ability to listen? That's right. Not speak, not persuade, not charm, but listen. This is the art of active listening, a crucial aspect of interpersonal communication that often goes overlooked. Active listening is more than just hearing the words that are spoken. It's about fully engaging with the speaker, showing genuine interest in their thoughts and feelings. It's about understanding, not just the words, but the emotions, the undertones, the hidden meanings. It's about making the other person feel heard, understood, and valued. Imagine you're having a conversation. The other person is sharing a story or expressing an opinion. Rather than merely waiting for your turn to speak, you're fully immersed in their narrative, responding appropriately, asking relevant questions, and offering empathetic responses. You're not just passively absorbing information, you're actively participating in the conversation. This is active listening. It's a powerful tool that can help you establish a meaningful connection with others. It conveys interest, understanding, and empathy, making the other person feel important and valued. It can help you understand their perspective better, leading to deeper conversations and stronger relationships. In the world of psychology, it's a well-known fact that people are more inclined towards those who make them feel understood and appreciated. So the next time you find yourself in a conversation, remember to practice active listening. Active listening, it turns out, isn't just about hearing words, but understanding the complete message being sent. Did you know that subtly mimicking someone's body language can make them feel more comfortable around you? This is known as mirroring, a psychological concept that's as intriguing as it is effective. At its core, mirroring is about echoing another person's body language, tone of voice, or even their choice of words. But why does it work? It's simple. We're social creatures, and we instinctively seek out what's familiar, what's like us. But here's the catch. It should be subtle and natural. If you reflect every single movement like a mirror, you're likely to come off as insincere, or even creepy. Instead, let it flow naturally, like a gentle echo. Maybe they lean back in their chair, so you do the same a few moments later. Or they use a certain phrase a lot, so you weave it into your own conversation. Mirroring, when done right, can create an unspoken bond, a silent language of understanding. Who doesn't like a good compliment, right? Compliments are like little beams of sunshine, warming our hearts and lifting our spirits. But they're not just feel-good phrases, they're powerful tools in the art of persuasion. When you compliment someone genuinely, you're not only making them feel good about themselves, but you're also creating a positive image of yourself in their mind. Think about it. When someone compliments you, don't you instantly feel a little more positive towards them? That's because compliments help to foster a sense of mutual respect and admiration. However, it's vital to remember that the power lies in the sincerity of the compliment. A hollow or insincere compliment can easily be detected and may backfire. So, how do you give a genuine compliment? Focus on the person's strengths, achievements, or the traits that you genuinely admire. Recognize their efforts and appreciate them openly. A well-timed compliment can light up someone's day and make you more likable in their eyes. Have you ever met someone who radiates confidence and thought, wow, I want to be around this person? Confidence, ladies and gentlemen, is a magnet that draws people in, a beacon that attracts attention and interest. It's an innate part of our human nature to be drawn towards those who exude self-assuredness. It's as if their belief in themselves assures us of their capability and reliability. But what exactly is confidence and how can we harness its power? Confidence, in its simplest form, is the belief in oneself. It's the conviction that you are capable, competent, and worthy. It's an inner strength that shines bright, creating an attractive aura around you. So how can we cultivate this confidence? The good news is that confidence isn't something you're born with, it's a skill that can be developed over time. Start by recognizing your strengths and accomplishments. Appreciate how far you've come and how much you've grown. Next, pay attention to your body language. Stand tall, make eye contact, and don't be afraid to take up space. Your body communicates your confidence just as much as your words do. Also, be mindful of your voice. Speak clearly and assertively. Let your voice reflect the confidence within you. Lastly, your overall demeanor plays a crucial role. Be genuine, be authentic. People can sense when you're pretending, and nothing can be more off-putting than inauthenticity. Confidence isn't about being perfect, it's about being comfortable with who you are. Embrace your imperfections, they make you unique. After all, confidence is about believing in your unique self. So, let's quickly revisit what we've learned today. We started with the power of first impressions, highlighting how crucial those initial moments are in shaping perceptions. We then moved on to the art of active listening. Remember, it's not just about hearing, but truly understanding what the other person is saying. Our third point revolved around the magic of mirroring, subtly mimicking the other person's body language to build rapport and connection. Following that, we delved into the influence of compliments, emphasizing the importance of genuine praise and making someone feel valued. Lastly, we discussed the role of confidence, a key ingredient in making a lasting impression. Confidence is not about being brash or arrogant, but about projecting a self-assured image that makes you attractive to others. By understanding and applying these psychological tricks, you can increase your charm and attract anyone you want, ethically and respectfully. That's it for today. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed watching. You can also subscribe and hit that notification bell to never miss our upcoming videos. Till next time, bye.